Good evening, everyone. This is the session 9 from the playlist of motion in a straight line. The topic is calculation of velocity using the method of integration. And I have taken one question for this session which is based on this topic. The question is the acceleration of a particle is given by a is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 2, where t is the time and the acceleration is in meter per second square. And the particle starts with a velocity of 2 meter per second at t is equal to 0. We have to find the velocity at the end of the 2 seconds of this particle. So here I will be writing this acceleration as dv upon dt now. Acceleration is equal to dv upon dt, and this equation can further be written as dv is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 2 dt. And now what I will be doing is I will be integrating this equation on both sides within the limits of u and v on the left hand side of the equation and 0 to 2 on the right hand side of the equation. So from this equation I will be getting here v minus u, this is equal to the 3t square, integration of 3t square this will be integration of 3t square within the limits of 0 and 2 dt plus integration of 2t within the limits of 0 and 2, this is dt, plus integration of 2 within the limits of 0 and 2. So from this equation I am getting v minus u is equal to, now this the integration of this 3t square will give us t cube, and the limits are 0 to 2, plus the integration of this 2t will give us t square, the limits are from 0 to 2, and plus integration of 2, so this will give us 2t and the limits is from 0 to 2. So from here I am getting v minus u is equal to, so see if the particle starts with a velocity of this v is equal to 2 meter per second at t is equal to 0. So here the value of u will be equal to 2, because at t is equal to 0 the velocity is 2 meter per second. So here the value of u will be equal to will be equal to 2 meter per second, and this is equal to t cube, so this will be equal to 8 plus 4 plus this is equal to this is equal to 4 and this is equal to 8, and and this is equal to 4. So it implies that v minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16, and v will be equal to 16 plus 2, which is equal to 18 meter per second. So the velocity of this particle at the end of 2 seconds will be equal to 18 meter per second. So here the most important thing was that we have used the integration method in order to find the velocity of this particle. So here acceleration was equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 2. So I have written this acceleration as dv upon dt, and thereafter we have derived the we have found the equation which was equal to v minus u, and that was equal to this t cube. This means v minus u was equal to t cube, and within the limits of 0 to 2, t square within the limits of 0 to 2, and this is 2t within the limits of 0 and 2. So here we have substituted the value of u as 2 meter per second, because at t is equal to 2 the velocity was 2 meter per second. So u is equal to 2, and with the help, so finally we have got the value of v, which is equal to 18 meter per second. So thank you very much for joining this session, and in the next session I will be taking up some more different type of questions based on the calculation of velocity and the acceleration. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.